The Tehelka NDTV expose on the insensitive remarks made by policemen in and around Delhi blaming women for provoking rape has even the Chief Minister worried. But as the outrage grows, the big question, is it enough to highlight this dangerous misogyny or time to think of solutions?
दारू भी पी रहे साथ में, बिल्कुल लेडीज को पता है इस बात की ये होगा। या किसी लड़की का शरीर कपड़ों के अंदर से दिखेगा तो उसमें उत्तेजना पैदा होगी।
Dangerous, misogynistic and utterly prejudiced comments made by policemen from the National Capital Region. Comments made while discussing women who have been raped. For these policemen, the women are not victims. Their words hinting at the sort of trauma that a rape victim has to endure when she approaches police to file a complaint. Comments that have outraged the nation.
The law and order machinery, which is supposed to bring justice, actually obstructs justice.
So that what? You're saying to criminals, go ahead. Every woman that you see without a dupatta, you rape the woman. Every woman that you see in a skirt, you rape the girl. I mean, this is the kind of statement that is passing down. I think we should see what to do about it.
Even the Delhi Chief Minister admitted that the situation was bleak.
We're all worried about this atmosphere where women do not feel safe. This has to change.
But not too long back, the Chief Minister, while commenting on a young journalist's murder, had said that the fact that she was returning home alone late at night was too adventurous for a woman. Pragmatic advice, or another reflection of mindsets that need to change? Or is it time to train and sensitize our policemen?
Retraining, induction training, constant communication, constant exposure, constant evaluation is the key.
मैं इस न्याय के लिए आखिरी सांस तक लड़ती रहूंगी, चाहे इसके लिए मुझे चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए.
A sad situation for the country's capital where women do not feel safe stepping out late or to be able to approach the law without going through this additional trauma. Bureau Report, NDTV.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.